Good morning, students. Now we continue our lecture, chapter 5, complex number. Now, today we are doing exercise 5.3. This is related to exercise 4.3, class 10. Okay, in same manner, we do in that exercise what we will do. If we have a quadratic equation in the form of, that is, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of a quadratic equation. In that, we find the value of d. What is this? That is b square minus 4ac. d की वैल्यू b square minus 4ac. Then there is some condition on d, that is, first, if d is greater than 0, what will be that? If d is greater than 0, roots, we say roots are real and distinct. In second condition, if d is equal to 0, then what we will say? We say roots are real and equal. Distinct means alag alag. Okay, and in this, roots are real and equal. The third condition is, now the third condition takes place, that is, if d is less than 0, what will be? Roots are imaginary, और we don't solve. हम solve नहीं करते थे in 10th class, but in this class we solve it. If d is less than 0, roots are imaginary and unequal. Distinct. Okay, beta. We have another formula for that. Find the value of x. What is this? X is equal to minus b plus minus under root of d divided by 2a. Just use these two formula and we get the value of this. Find the value of x. He is saying solve the following linear equation. In every question, compare the equation with this. Find the value of a, b and c. Get the value of d and put the value of d in this formula. Simply we get the value of x. Our first question is x square plus 3 is equal to 0. So compare this with ax square plus bx, just a minute, hold it, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the value of a? You say, sir, x square coefficient is a, so x square coefficient is 1. What is the value of b? There is no term here. b is the coefficient of x and there is no term of x, so b is equal to 0. And what is the value of c? That is 3. Now we get the value of d. What is this? That is b square minus 4ac. So b square, that is 0 square minus 4 multiplied 3 multiplied 1, 4ac. That is 0 minus 12 is equal to minus 12. So d is minus 12 less than 0. In this exercise, every time we get the value of d less than 0. Okay. Now what is the value of x? So our roots are imaginary and distinct. ओके, सो x की वैल्यू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट डी बाय 2a, दैट इज माइनस बी माइनस 0 प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट ऑफ माइनस 12 डी minus 12 by 2a, that is 2. So what will be write this plus minus 0 having no matters, so plus minus under root 12 multiply under root minus 1. We write under root minus 12 as under root 12 multiply under root minus 1 by 2. 12 is written as x is equal to, you know very well, that is under root 12 is written as 2 multiply 2 4 multiply 3 iota, under root minus 1 is iota divided by 2, so 2 will be get outside. This implies x is equal to 2 under root 3 iota divided by 2 plus minus, sorry, plus minus is there, plus minus is there, 2 से 2 cancel out. So what will we get value of x plus minus under root 3 iota. This is the required answer solution. Next question in same manner. What will be that question, that is 2x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. So compare this with, you know very well, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a? That is 2. What's the value of b? That's be 1. And what's the value of c? That's be 1. Now what? Find the value of d. Direct we use b square, that is 1 square minus 4 multiply 2 multiply 1, that is 1 minus 8, so minus 7, d is equal to minus 7 less than 0. So roots are imaginary and distinct. What will we do? This implies therefore x is equal to minus b, that is minus 1 plus minus under root of minus 7 divided by 2a, that is 2 multiply 2. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus, you know, this be written in the form of root 7 iota divided by 4. So our answer will be x is equal to minus 1 plus root 7 iota by 4 or minus 1 minus root 7 iota by 4. This is the required solution. Now next question is, that is, now we do the seventh question. In same manner you do all the question. Seventh question is under root 2x square plus x plus under root 2 is equal to 0. So compare this with same. What will be the value of a? A is equal to under root 2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to under root 2. Now what is the value of d? You know very well, that is b square minus 4 multiply root 2 multiply root 2, that is 1 minus 4 to the 8, again that is minus 7. Minus 7 is less than 0. Now what is the value of x? That is minus b, minus 1 plus minus under root of minus 7 by 2a, that is 2 under root 2. So what will we get? X is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root of 7 iota divided by 2 root 2. Either rationalize it or not. यूवर विश। ओके बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम करते हैं, दैट इज 8th क्वेश्चन। √3x² minus √2x plus 3√3 is equal to 0. Same, compare this with ax² plus bx plus c. What will be the value of a? √3. What will be the value of b? That is minus √2. And what will be the value of c? That is 3√3. Now find the value of d in same manner. You get that is b² minus √2² minus 4ac, that is 4 multiply √3 multiply 3√3, that is 2 minus 4, 3 is 12, 3 is 36, minus 34. Again d is less than 0, so roots are imaginary and distinct. Now what is the value of x? That is minus b, that is minus √2 plus minus √d minus 34 divided by 2a, that is 2√3. √2 plus minus √34 iota divided by 2√3 is the required solution. If we do the 10th question in same manner, that is we have x² plus x upon √2 plus 1 is equal to 0. So compare this with the same term, that is ax² plus bx plus c. Firstly we multiply the equation both sides by √2. What we will get? We get, this implies √2x² plus x plus √2 is equal to 0. Either do in this way or do in this way, your wish. Okay beta, in this way we get a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 by √2 and c is equal to again 1. In this manner we get a is equal to √2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to again √2. In this, what is the value of d? That is b², 1 by √2 complete whole square minus 4ac, that is 4 multiply 1 multiply 1. In this, d is equal to b², that is 1² minus 4 multiply √2 multiply √2, that is 1 by 2 minus 4 is equal to 2 LCM 1 minus 8, 1 by 2 minus 4, 2 LCM 1 minus 8, that is minus 7 by 2, again less than 0. In this, d is equal to 1 minus 8, that is minus 7, again less than 0. So what is the value of x? That is minus b, that is minus 1 upon √2 minus under root of d minus 7 by 2 plus minus divided by 2a, that is 2. Or in this, x is equal to, what we will get? Minus b, that is minus 1 plus minus under root of d minus 7 divided by 2a, that is 2 under root 2. What we will get? X is equal to in this minus 1 by root 2 plus minus under root 7 by 2 iota divided by 2, and in this minus 1 plus minus under root of 7 iota divided by 2 root 2. Same answer. These two answers are same. So your wish, as you wish, you want this by or this method, as you wish. Okay, bye beta, take care. Do exercise 5.3 complete by yourself. Okay, if any doubt, please call me. Okay, take care, have a nice day.